Hello guys, this is Collins, the Freedom Trader. So today, the 12th of March 2023, I'm gonna do the analysis of GU against next week. Say by tomorrow, the week that starts by tomorrow. So it's gonna end up with a signal. So it's just my analysis, and it's same my signal for GU starting tomorrow till Friday. So we're gonna do it for swing traders, day traders, and scalpers as well. But for scalpers, uh, it's just gonna be an analysis. But for them to enter, where to enter, and the stop loss or take profit should be at the actual trade. So before I start, always I go to my weekly time frame. I look at the market structure. I already entered my key level. Since it's only one trade I'm gonna enter, so I do my key level, one key level, putting out other key levels is for take profit, so or stop loss. But actually I have my key level, which is the neckline. You can see the market structure from here. This has been a structure uh, which is very determinant. So when this forms, either the market continues as it almost did. This one, by the way, I I actually took a lot of profit out of this one uh, before it returned. So it actually broke the neckline, indicated that it's coming down, though it went back. Say it went back now and retested the neckline. So it retested the neckline and did a fake breakout. As you can see, this is a fake breakout of the neckline, showing indications of kind of like the market is going to continue to buy. Yeah, in some cases it might buy and go right up, and if it breaks this level, then it's going to be a huge buy for a very long time. If it breaks this level, if it goes, if as it broke this level here, if it continues, say it's retesting now to continue, then it's going to break this level and it's going to be a very long buy for GU. But right now we are still here. We can't say if the market is going down or going up because it's actually consolidating at the neckline. But what we can do, we still have to trade, we still have to make money. We're not going to wait that much, though I will recommend always, you have to always wait for the market to come to you. You don't go, you don't rush for the market. You have to wait for the market to come. What I recommend we do in this case is we go down now. We've looked at the structure. We can then now go to fundamentals. We see if there is any upcoming events for next week on GU. So we having for the next 7 days. Yeah, for the next 7 days we have a Australia major events. So we are having one event, employment change on March 14th. So there is okay, unemployment rate. There is forecast, which is previous was 3.7, forecast is 3.8. So there is going to be an increase in the unemployment rate. So that shows a little bit 1% weak uh, 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 economy at the UK. So we still have to look for more determining factors to see if the UK economy is going to be weaker. So inflation rate actually hits the forex market straight away, like it hits the forex market directly because it deals with currency. So this is for the US, and this gonna be next week, this coming week, which starts tomorrow, by the way. So the core inflation rate for the US previous was 5.6, forecast 5.5, which shows that it's going down. The inflation rate in the US is going down, which indicates a stronger dollar. So we've seen a weaker GBP, Great British Pound, and a stronger dollar, equally by 1%. So that equally says we have to be looking at a sell here. Uh, According to the fundamentals, the GU this week is going to be weak. I mean, the GBP is going to be weak. Then the US dollar is going to be stronger. So for GU now, we're going to be looking at a sell. Okay. But in that case, we still need further confirmation from the charts. If that's going to be a sell, for how long is it going to sell? Does it mean that structure is going to continue down or it's going to go up? Okay, here we cannot confirm this one as an uptrend yet. We cannot say this is an uptrend yet. So to further confirm if it's going to be a sell, we look at how the market closed on Friday. So the market close, we go now to the candles. This was a shooting star which has not yet been broken. It was hit but not broken. So that was kind of a double top. Okay, this shooting star, or this shooting star was indicating a reversal to respect the structure here. So, and again, the market formed a hammer, which shows the buyers, there are more buyers, the bulls are pulling up stronger. So they reach this level, the bears are coming down. So it's a kind of consolidation in the market right now. I would say for next week, we can actually be looking for sales, but if we are to buy, we have to put our buy stops at certain levels. We have to put our buy stops at certain levels so that we don't have any, even if it triggers when we are not around, we will not get lost into the trade or get confused. So right now, according to the fundamentals, next week the Great British Pound is going to be weak and the US dollar is going to be strong. So what we can do, the most we can do here to sell, we're not gonna start selling at this area. We if For swing traders, this is where you start selling. You put your sell stop here as a swing trader. So this at this level, you can then put your sell stop at 1800. Putting your sell stop at 1800, then TP here, TP at 1.1493, which is a lot of pips. Yeah, which is quite a lot of pips. It's like 307 pips. Yeah, that's for swing traders. That's 307 pips. Um, you can still just go for your normal 200 pips and put your buys and put your TP here and get your 200 pips. But for me, I'm not greedy. I always go for 100 pips and most. So let's see how the market is gonna reach at these levels. So we still maintain the fact that if the market breaks here, first TP, second TP. If the market, if you sell, if you say you sell here, yeah, if you sell here, so selling at this level, okay, yeah, selling at this level, you take your TP here, you take the second TP here. Okay, but before you reach, this is for swing traders. Okay, let's see, for day traders, say you want to sell, you want to trade this week, you come now to the daily candle, it's kind of confirming the fact that, hey, it's going to be a sell this week for GU. Why? With this candle, it was trying to form a hanging man, which is not a complete hanging man, though the market closed below the moving average. It's not complete confirmation that it's a hanging man. So this was a good signal here. This candle was a good signal. So as you can see, it's not the same thing here. It's not the same thing. Why? Because the body is bigger than this one here. The body here is bigger. So it just formed another higher low, and the bulls were so much powerful. So what we can do now, we continue to go down and see if we can see a likely reason why we should sell GU this week. Okay, so here again, this was another lower, no, this was another higher low. So this was another one. So here we can actually see a trend at the 4 hour, a trend forming already. Here we can see a trend forming already. Okay, so if this be the case, we already know where to buy and where to sell. So right now, as I said, you sell here, the sell here, call out is still there. Oh, let's call out. Let's do it this way. Sell here. Yes, you can sell if the market breaks this level, then you sell. Same as, and you sell only when you see a sell signal. Even though the market is showing everything possible that, hey, sell, but you only sell for day traders. That's what I mean. For day traders, you only sell where the market reaches here, breaks with a bearish a candle, with a momentum, a full momentum bearish candle, retest, then you sell at the retest. Yeah, that is how you sell. You're not just gonna sell because, hey, the market has broken this level, then you sell. No. So you have to be technical and very careful with that one. Okay, then for those who think they're gonna buy, since it's broke already this trend, this moving average, and it's going up kind of, you still have to wait for it to break this line, this trend line. You wait for it to break this trend line. It will probably go up and reach this level. It will go up and reach this level. If it breaks, if it's a buy, it's gonna go up, reach this level. If it breaks up here, it's gonna go up and reach this level, comes back, retest, then you buy here. This is where you buy for GU tomorrow. So that is how you go into the market. You go into the market with an open mind. You don't go into the market with a blocked mind or closed mind, like, hey, it's a buy, it must buy, it's gonna buy. No, you go with an idea of the fact that the market is gonna buy. Okay, but there should be confirmation. First, the market indicates a buy. Second, it shows a signal that it's a buy. Then third, it confirms that it's a buy. Then you buy. So that is how you do it. Okay. Then this is still for day traders. If we're going down now to scalpers, when you reach here in the morning tomorrow, when the market starts, what you do is you already know where the market will reach before you think of buying. Yeah, you already know where the market will hit before you think of selling. But if you just wanna do your thing within this range, within this range, no problem. You can then look at mostly the candlesticks. You can then look at the candlesticks formation. Then I can do this live for scalpers. We can do it live. But right now, to analyze, you will just have to look for the candlestick and wait until the market breaks this moving average, gives you a signal, then gives you an indication. When it will break this moving average, that's an indication. But you wait for a signal. When it gives a signal, gives a confirmation, then you execute. That is how we do it. You do that is for scalpers tomorrow. Okay, so that is it for GU, guys. Starting from uh, the starting from swing traders, going down to day traders, and even scalpers. So that is it for GU. We're gonna do a follow-up on this video, how the market went worked out at the end of the day, and then see if we omitted some issues, we didn't see some indications, we didn't see something else, then we correct ourselves next time. That's how we move on.